always, but they do not set their goals to balance the life. It is very, very important. It is necessary. When you live the mundane life, it means simple, normal, not interesting, not exciting. That interest comes. What interests you? When you have got the interest in that. Nothing can interest you in this world unless you put the interest into that thing. I want to get interested, but I have to put my interest into that thing. If people do not like teaching, so they leave teaching. They are supposed to put their interest in that teaching. They will start loving the teaching. Like what you have to control, what you have to leave, what you have to forget. We will work on these three things. But before that, people love the life, people do not love the death. When somebody passes away, people cry. But there is a twist. When Bharat is there, it means procession, marriage procession, you may have seen. Bharat also is called Bharat, or else it can be called marriage procession. When marriage procession is there, so you must have recognized one thing. What is that has told that, is telling me that, no sir, I have not attended any Bharat, any marriage procession, or I have not seen somehow. No, it means we all are human beings. We all have attended them. Ma'am, please shift. Chubaki Mantriji, please shift. In procession, marriage procession. Yeah.
People are happy on that occasion.
Please.
People are happy on that occasion.
People are happy on that occasion. And something they are enjoying the Bharat procession and all. Okay, fine. Please have a seat. And they are happy. They are enjoying. You may have seen so many times, but it means they enjoy. Yeah.
You always stay ahead of us.
They always
Stay ahead of us for enjoying the.
Acha, they always stay ahead of us.
Ahead of bridegroom.
Groom.
Ahead of groom.
Ahead of groom. You don't need to say bride's groom. Say only groom. दूल्हा दुल्हन का ही होता है. I have not heard that law's groom, ससुर जी का दूल्हा, या सासू माँ का दूल्हा. Bride's groom कहने की जरूरत नहीं. You don't need to say. Simple groom, simple bride. जो दुल्हन है वो है bride. और जो दूल्हा वो है groom. You don't need to say bride's groom. You can never say that he is a bride, he is a groom, and his father-in-law, law's groom. Understood? Yes. Don't need to say. There is someone here. I'm sorry. So this is the thing. What you realize it. What it means that when somebody passes away, what thing you must have seen? Funeral procession. What is it? Okay, you all have seen? Yes. Okay, fine. What you have recognized? What you have realized over there? What have you noticed?
Only people stay behind.
All the people stay behind. What does it mean?
People always stay ahead when we are enjoying anything. And
Give a great round of applause for it. What's the main thing when people are happy? When we are happy, in our happiness they try to go ahead, they try to be ahead always. But when somebody has this sorrow, so nobody is with us. It's a painful truth. Life is a beautiful lie. Death is a painful truth. That is truth, but people get hurt. If I tell you something truth, you get hurt. It's a real thing. If I say to you people don't have the parking sense, it's a real sense. But I have seen so many people, they park like this. I have realized why people do it. Because the Vigori Square. I will show you near about 20 members and 15 people. They would be flouting the launch. They try to flout. Parking sense is not there, driving sense is not there. That's why accidents take place. And when death is there, liar not lawyer, okay? I become lawyer when I make the mistake. It means I know how to overcome. But when other makes the mistake or others make the mistake, I become a judge. I try to judge his mistake, her mistake. Why? Say, I'm now gonna get promotion. What's the use of that promotion? When on that day, there is a breakup also. Promotion cannot help you. Maintaining the life is here. If you are unable to maintain the life, you are unable to maintain the relation also. Find good thing in people. Don't find good people. Find good thing in people and ignore bad thing in them. Or whatever bad thing, nobody is born perfect. If somebody says that I was born perfect and I don't have any ill mannered, I'm just completely perfect, I do not hurt, indirectly we also control. What do people control always? In daily routine, I want to check it out. Daily routine you know very well. Most life, by the morning you brush, then sit on the bed. Don't think wrongly. I'm not asking you to sit over there, that what you have thought of. By the morning you get up, get fresh, then you people come back from the office, college. There you also do the chores, you study, you do the office work. Then after that again you come back, again family, papa, mama, oh, chunnu, munnu. Then after that, by the night preparing the food or having food, whatever. Monotonous life. Somebody says daily. Monotonous life. If you can understand the responsibility, so you can understand every responsibility of your life. Accepting the responsibility, it means you are promoting yourself. Getting the promotion, it means you are feeling very, very happy. When you are happy, people are with you. Because in happiness, people do not leave you. It's a quality of the people. But when we have this sorrow, whole world leaves us. That teaches us. Because we must have made the mistake. Because people become the judges and we become the lawyer. A lawyer always takes out the mistakes, tries to hide the mistakes. It's a quality of the lawyer. Judge always judges. Judge always judges, gives the completely judgment. Judge never tells, judge directly gives the judgment. And after giving the judgment, whatever is there, that person is hard while offering the prayer. Second, appetite while having the food. Third, way of looking. When you are sitting somebody's home or party, control your tongue. Control your tongue. When you are in assembly, seminar, party, wherever. जितना आप जवान पे कंट्रोल करेंगे उतना ही आप लोगों के लिए अच्छा होता है. Yes? Just because of the tongue. जवान पे आए. So it means you have to control your tongue. When you are in assembly, when you are in seminar, when you are in party, control your eyes. When you are sitting somebody's home, it is very, very bad. Yeah? ये तो वही बात होगी कि मैं अपने दोस्त के घर गया और I have seen his sister, his family member. यार तेरी बहन है बहुत सुंदर यार. ठीक है. अब ये नहीं बोल सकते यार दीदी इज वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. देखो डिलीवरिंग समझ में देखो दोनों में कोई बोले. अब अंतर देखो यार तेरी बहन है बहुत सुंदर यार दीदी बहुत सुंदर है यार. ऑफ कोर्स दीदी किसकी है? तेरी मेरी नहीं यार. बहन कितनी सुंदर है तेरी यार. बहन किसकी है? तेरी है. Understood? Control your eyes. Are you getting? देखिए, I have told you also. Sometimes my wife is actually talks with the maid. What maid says? Maid. पड़ोसी हमारे बहुत चालाक हैं. It's a real thing. आते हैं घर में देखते हैं, सोफा देखते हैं, टेबल देखते हैं और I have not especially yet. Though I have passed over 3 months there, and everybody has come my home. One has seen the home, And second has told home is very good. Look at the interior. लोग आए, घर देखा, चले गए. अब आपको बताता हूँ. Some days ago, here we offer, we celebrate the Lakshmi, the Mahalakshmi, Abhijit sir's home. Lakshmi Pujan. We offer the Lakshmi Pujan in a big. We celebrate the Lakshmi Pujan, Lakshmi day. Okay. That day I went. As I saw, directly I told auntie, home is very good. She told, I have seen your home. It is 1,000 times better than my home. वही समझ में आ जाता है. Then I told auntie, come on, you people got your house constructed 20 years ago. Has got changed, but the strongness you people have got. Look at the space. What you have got, it is very good. This space should be in our heart also. This space should be in our heart. खोल कर आता था. वहीं खराब. Beginning में खराब. Are you getting? अंतरात्मा में साफ. Control your conscience. Are you getting? Control your conscience. I do not let my conscience do anything else bad. Conscience it means अंतरात्मा हमारी. I do not let my conscience do anything else bad. Why? Because I know. I control my heart also. Because I connect my heart to my mind. It is very important. देखिए ना, तभी तो बोलते हैं कि control your sleep also. अपने नींद को भी कंट्रोल में करें. अब it is the main thing कि आप रात को सोए नहीं, फोन पे रहे रात भर. It is very bad. इतना क्या फोन पे जाना, इतना क्या व्हाट्सएप पे बैठे रहना, इतना क्या फेसबुक पे. मैन पावर इज very important. 1,000 times better than machine power. People go for the technology. Who has invented? Machine ने machine को थोड़ा invent किया. We have invented.